Okay, so we have the frame sliders on. Didn't take too long. They look pretty good. The right side. Left side. So now let's do the bar end mirrors while we're right here. This should be pretty straightforward. Let's remove the stop bar ends. I think that had some red thread lock on it. So let's see, we have some Highsider bar ends. So the reason why we needed to change is we really need a flat, or a pretty not flat but uniform diameter to mount a bar end mirrors, and this has a tapered, it's not uniform all the way around, so should be good to go with our mirrors. Let's make sure we got the right thread size. Yep, looks good. Yeah, these are much thinner than the stock. Have to check the torque specs on this. So the main thing we want to do is get rid of these huge stock side view mirrors. All right, so these actually aren't glass. These Motogadget mirrors, they just have a nice process to polish and coat actual metal frame in a way that gives you that appearance. So I guess we want to figure out if we want to do top mounts or bottom. Okay, so I think we're gonna mount these bar end mirrors like right about there. Trying to get those just situated, and we can adjust them a little bit later when we get the bike flat. It's already a sleeker look than these wings. So let's go ahead and get these off here. Let's see. I need something to kind of close that hole. Oh man, that looks so much more streamlined already.
I have to get some little plastic cap.
That's something. Wow. Look at that. Transforms the whole look of the bike. Little mirror wings are gone.